In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how to get the voltage that you need. So if you've got 3 volts, how do you get 9? And if you've got 9 volts, how do you get 3? And other combinations. In one of my projects, I'm just making some Bluetooth headphones, and I'm just using some regular headphones, a Bluetooth board, which I got from Amazon for about $3.50, a battery, an old tin of mints, and just a socket here, if you can see that. And this is just what it looked like out of the tin before I fitted it. I'll be doing a separate video on this particular project. This Bluetooth board takes between 3.7 volts at a minimum and 5 volts at a maximum. And I've got these batteries here which are 3.7 volts, which is what we needed. And I got a load of these quite cheaply, and they even came with a charger, which was pretty good. But I'm making one of these for my sister, and these batteries are quite dangerous, and I didn't really want to be giving that to my sister to use. And so I wanted to use an alternative like these two batteries, and this is 9 volts, which is too high. And I've got these ones which add up to 3 volts, which is too low. So that might not work, hence this video where we're going to fix that problem. One good way, if you want to increase the voltage, is you can put 2 of these battery packs together to make this. This actually provides 6 volts, and if you want to know how to wire it up and everything, then we've got a video showing you guys how you can do that. But these are really useful because they have this sort of connector at the end, and we show you how to make one of these because we've made one here and it's really sturdy. And yes, this is connected to our mini amp at the moment, and it's working perfectly instead of a 9 volt battery. And there is a video showing you guys how to make this mini amp as well if you were interested. You can get devices like these which will take a low voltage and make it higher. You can get different ones to step up to different voltages. This one steps up to 5 volts because of course it's got the little dot next to the 5. But you can see you can get it to step up to 3.3 volts, 4.2, 5, 9 and 12 volts. This is actually the boost step up module that I've just shown you. You can see the different voltages you can get it to step up to, from 3.3 volts to 12 volts. This one is great because of its little size, which is really cute. But this one, you can put between 2 and 24 volts in, and it can give you out between 5 and 28 volts. So if you wanted, you could put a 3 volt supply in, and you could get 28 volts out. These are the voltage regulators that I've just shown you, and you can see you can get 10 of them for £7.99 on Amazon, and you can get them from many different places and maybe for different prices. I've got our power coming in here with our negative here and our positive here, and this is 3 volts coming in. Then it's stepping up with our little device, it's stepping up to 5.06 volts, which is really good. And if you want to know how a breadboard works, I've done a video showing you guys how it works. And also if you want to know how I connected my multimeter to our breadboard with these cool little devices, they are quite self-explanatory, but I've done a video showing you guys how to do that as well. Let's just check that it is actually 3 volts coming out of our power source, sorry. So if I just put this here, and here, very stiff, here, there we go, connected there. And you can see it's getting just a little bit over 3 volts. Let's try the next step-up device. We've got roughly 3 volts going in and 12 volts going out. So we're going to try to get that down to 5. So this has got a cool little thing here, and you can just adjust. I've moved the multimeter a little bit closer so that you guys can see this a bit better. And we're going to see if we can get this down to roughly, roughly 5 volts. I won't be exact, obviously, but see, I'm not very good at this sort of fiddly stuff. Okay, 7 volts, so we need to get roughly 5. Okay, we're almost there. Let's see if we can get exact. Obviously, we won't get exact, but let's leave that there. I think you get the picture. We've dealt with a low voltage to high voltage. Now let's deal with a high voltage to a low voltage, the other way around. You can get different types of devices to step the voltage down. This particular one is a TS2940. I've done a rough drawing here of our little device down there, and you've got the positive in, ground, and the positive out. So the negative of our battery is connected to the middle leg, which is the ground, and then the positive is connected to the positive in. We're measuring the voltage across the battery as 7.57 volts. Now it should be 9 volts, but this is an old battery, so that's what we expect. Our multimeter is connected to this leg here. On our diagram it's over here, and this is measuring the voltage coming in. So if we connect it to this, which is the voltage coming out, we should get 5 volts. So let's do that. I'll just unplug that and then put it in. Just come on here. This one here, this is just connected to this outside leg, let's see, and it is almost 5 volts. Some of you may wonder about potential dividers and using those to step down the voltage, and we've done a video showing you guys what they are and why that's maybe not the best idea. So hopefully you can see methods that you can step up the voltage and step down the voltage, and these are just a few of the devices that you can use. Look around for other types, maybe cheaper options. It's worth noting that these devices are going to be less efficient because some energy is going to be wasted. So if you can get the exact voltage or close to what you need by, putting batteries together, then I would go for that option first before you resort to these devices. I hope you found this video useful and you got something out of it, for a project that you're making maybe. And if you liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a good day. Bye!